Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have these. These are Sissix style and these are some sleep earplugs. We're going to give these things a try if I can get the plastic open. So they are double layer, effective sound insulation and noise reduction. Enjoy concentration without fear of interference, soft silicone, ergonomic, lightweight, zero sense wearing without ear swelling, and there's different tip sizes as well. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So this is it. Ta-da! So this is what it looks like here, and there's all the different tip sizes. I guess you get different colors too. You can either have black or white, and then this is the little case for it. Let's see what it looks like in there. Ah, very nice. So this is what they look like. So this is, let me see what size as far as all these different sizes. So this is this, there's a big one. This is the same as the medium size. So that's what you get here. It looks like you get a set of black ones and a set of beige ones maybe. Okay, so let's try this out here. I'm gonna try just the medium, and it kind of has a little finger place here to put it in with. Wow, that just got a seal on it, totally. Let's try this side here. Ah, and that side too. Wow, these are wow. Those were super easy to put in. And the way the silicone and stuff like that, it'd be comfortable. Yeah. I can hear myself in my head, but that's it. I would totally sleep in these. These are super comfortable. Holy mackerel, these are way more comfortable than those ones that you like squeeze and stuff. I don't know why. I guess because it's all silicone and stuff. These are even more comfortable than like my AirPods, probably just because they're lighter. But they fit in there really good. And I guess I'm a size medium because this was just perfect for me. So look at these things, these are nice. So this is the way it goes in, and then it's got that little piece there that you can use to push it in. I don't know, are we not focusing here? Come on, focus machine. But okay, but you get the idea, there it is. So it looks like that. So really cool. So it's got a little rubber, so it just goes in there. And I don't think there's any air flow through it or anything. It's just what it is. Yeah, really neat. I like these. Super cool. Very nice indeed. I'm really impressed with these. I'm like looking at them too much. Thumbs up for sure, these are great.